This is the largest shredder in the world, and this Lamborghini's gonna fall in it.
We're also nuking an entire life-size village, shooting real tanks at a literal Lamborghini, and crushing this store with the world's largest dominoes.
This is the first of many experiments. You're gonna love this video. You ready?
Ready!
This is gonna be crazy. All right, they're falling. They're falling.
Come on.
All right, it's working. It's actually working.
Are we gonna have to run?
Oh,
You hear the thud?
oh, it's going. All right, that was the tallest domino in the world. That was the new tallest domino in the world.
Go! Down goes the domino!
Oh my God!
That was insane.
We were way too close!
This isn't even the coolest thing we're doing in this video.
We're detonating the biggest explosion in YouTube history, launching a roller coaster off its track.
And so much more. Let's go to the next experiment.
We've got a lot of experiments today, and up next, we're gonna destroy an entire village with a massive creeper explosion. And just for reference, a human-sized version looks like this.
Okay.
But we're gonna be detonating one 50 times bigger.
Steve, somehow you survived the last creeper. This one, I'm not quite sure you're gonna survive.
Oh, we don't believe Steve's gonna make it?
Oh, heck no.
Even though this is 50 times bigger, it has 200 times the TNT.
Bye, Steve. Okay, let's head in the bunker.
Bye, Steve.
Let's send Steve into the abyss.
And just so you know how big this creeper is,
Steve is actually taller than me.
All right,
We're in the green zone.
this is gonna be a massive explosion. It's getting closer. Any
I
second
don't know
now.
when it's gonna happen. Oh, I'm scared.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
I'm speechless for once.
processing that. That was insane.
How are we allowed to do this?
We live in a country called America.
Go America.
If you thought that was cool,
well, I got news for you. It's about to get a whole lot cooler.
for our next experiment, I bought another Lamborghini. Adam, this is your Lamborghini.
Thank you.
And you're probably wondering though, what's the catch?
Yes, that's exactly what I'm wondering.
How do I put this?
Recently, I may have obtained a military-grade tank. In exactly 3 days, I'm going to be raining missiles on your new car.
And you get to use my credit card to spend as much money as you want trying to defend it. If the Lamborghini survives, you have a brand new car.
I'm gonna spend whatever it takes to defend this Lambo.
Well, that's why I gave you my card.
Okay, fine. All right, I'm gonna do it.
A lot of things running through my mind right now, but it's simplified into stop shell, win Lambo.
Adam's first move was to call a construction crew to bring in building materials and help him set up his first wall.
I'm gonna want all the walls to kind of be a foot over my head. That'll at least protect the direct shots of the Lambo. Now for the second part of my process, it's gonna be the pool. There was a Mythbusters episode where they were shooting rounds into a pool, so that should stop the velocity heavily.
Adam's got a lot of work ahead of him to keep his Lambo from danger. And speaking of danger,
We bought the world's most dangerous roller coaster. And if you're wondering why it's dangerous, basically, I put bombs on the ride. In theory, if you were to ride this roller coaster, you should get launched off this ramp.
the only question is, where would you land?
Let's see how far it goes when it gets launched off it. And obviously, before we launch it, we're gonna put mannequins on it. Everyone, put your mannequin where you want.
He's got a good head on his shoulders.
And the final touch, push as hard as you can. All right, get out of the way, get out of the way. Hurry, hurry. All right, there it is.
This thing's going fast.
All right, now it's gonna come down and go off the ramp. Wait for it. Here it goes. Go, go, go. That was awesome! All right, hold on. Oh! That actually scared me.
To be honest, I thought it would go further.
That was cool and all. Let's do that again, but with an explosive in the cart. Inside these boxes is dozens of pounds of TNT. When we're done pushing, run to the bunker.
You don't have to tell me to do that. Go, 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 we're going.
I'm running!
Go, guys, go.
Here we go! Go quicker!
Go, 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 go.
Okay, it's going! Get inside! It's going down! That was awesome! It might not have flown 100 feet, but at least we blew it up.
But that explosion is literally nothing compared to what you're about to see.
For the next experiment, we have 3 safes.
One that cost $1,000, $10,000, and finally the $100,000 safe.
It's bigger than me.
And we're gonna see how many explosives they can resist. These are actual explosives.
Why is Chandler bringing them in?
He's my dealer.
Okay.
Carefully set it down. I know this doesn't look like a lot, but this is $1,000.
For however much we spent on each safe, we spent the same amount on TNT.
And we're gonna see who wins, this $1,000 safe or $1,000 in explosives. I'm gonna put an egg inside the safe. Let's see if it turns into scrambled eggs. Usually during explosives, we have a wireless switch. This time, it's hardwired.
Why? That actually scared me.
Well, the egg and the safe literally don't exist anymore. Let's try this again with 10 times the explosives and a safe 50 times stronger. No joke, this thing has 3-inch thick steel.
Grab a crate of explosives.
This is like explosive Jenga.
Oh my gosh.
We're like putting presents around a Christmas tree.
The last egg did not survive. Let's see if a $10,000 safe can protect it. Is a safe really worth 10 grand if it can't protect an egg from TNT?
I don't know if safes are meant to stop TNT.
Button is hot.
You wanna hit it?
I do.
Oh!
What? Oh my.
Bro,
The next one is supposed to be 10 times bigger.
then that one, which is 10 times bigger than the previous one.
Oh my God, it put a divot in the ground. Yo, can you guys believe Nolan's mom fell right here?
Oh my gosh, it broke the glass on the $100,000 safe. In hindsight, I should have put the safes further apart. Ever since we were born, we've always wondered, if you put $100,000 worth of explosives around a $100,000 safe, would it protect an egg?
It's the age-old question.
You're in luck, because I'm about to answer it. Ugh, so heavy. This safe is now surrounded by $100,000 in explosives.
You could say it's unsafe now.
Out of every explosion we've ever done, what you're about to see is the biggest by far.
Our videos have gotten so crazy that people think we fake them. This is a real explosion.
3, 2, 1!
I don't even have any words.
Wow.
Everybody in
the entire state.
Let's see if the eggs survive. Oh my gosh. Bro, the back of the safe is gone.
Bro, it broke the foundation. There's a whole crack in the floor.
It seems like they put all their effort in the 37,000-pound door and not the walls of the safe. And the egg did not survive. If you ever want to rob a bank, just buy 100 grand worth of TNT.
In the meantime, Adam had been going all night building his structure.
It's like 2 a.m. Still so hot out here.
And when I came back in the morning, I noticed he had some pretty interesting ideas for it.
Adam, what am I looking at?
Scrapyard had a lot of cars. I'm gonna have at least 2 layers of cars, and I'm probably gonna stash them. The real secret is I'm gonna be using the engine block to stop it. That should give it more stopping power than just the side of a vehicle.
So far, Adam has 2 cinder block walls, 2 layers of stacked cars, and 3 pools full of water, all just to protect this Lamborghini from the tank shells.
What do you think the odds are that the Lambo survives?
That Lambo's mine, baby. We're gonna get it done.
But I wasn't about to go easy on him, so we brought in extra support for tomorrow.
Boys, bring him in!
Oh my gosh, Jimmy.
Now that we brought in 2 more tanks, the Lambo will be targeted from all sides. Adam doesn't stand a chance.
You have a little less than 24 hours left. Good luck, Adam. You're gonna need it.
All jokes aside, I am actually stressed out about that. If I'd known there were gonna be 3 tanks, I would have strategized completely different.
While you're building, we're gonna go test the tanks.
Oh, great. Thanks.
Chris, do you wanna do the honors?
Yeah.
Too bad.
The test we built consists of a 100-pound safe, a trampoline, and bulletproof glass. But
Did it go through it? Oh, I can literally see through it from back here. This is the weakest of the 3 tanks. Adam is screwed.
while Adam was wrapping up his protection for his Lamborghini, we're gonna throw one into a shredder. And to show you how powerful it is, I'm gonna shred some other stuff first.
Carl, send it.
Here we go! Yeah!
Let's see what happens. That is so awesome.
That doesn't sound like piano noises.
I think we need to wash down that piano.
I agree. Send the Coke. I'm 99% sure these are gonna blow up. Oh, there you go. And while we're doing this, I want to tell you guys about Creator League. It's a gaming league brought to you by eFuse and 8 of the biggest gaming entertainers in the world. It's like having a front row season ticket, but you're not just watching. You're actively drafting teams, changing strategies, and sharing in the reward.
Oh my God.
Up next, we have a Hershey's vending machine. I'll do you guys a favor by getting rid of it.
There it goes.
There goes the Hershey's.
Is it stuck?
Turns out, not even this massive shredder can digest Hershey's.
When you purchase a Creator League pass, you're able to influence the league, compete in weekly tournaments, win prizes, and potentially even meet some of your favorite influencers.
And if you sign up in the next 7 days, you'll receive a free box of Feastable bars.
I'm grabbing the porta potty!
Who taught Chris how to use this stuff? Creator League gives you full control over what games creators play. Chris, drop it. Who's on each team, what are the rules, and so much more.
Ah, it smells.
We've been in this junkyard for 10 hours, and even I took a poop in that earlier. One creator pass equals one vote, and you have full influence over almost everything they do in the league. Click the link in the description down below and sign up for Creator League right now.
While we clean out this shredder to get it ready for the Lamborghini, we're gonna go shoot another one with tanks. And things aren't looking good for Adam because he was running into a ton of problems on his last night of building.
Well, we're hitting some issues. We need some things. Nothing's open. Not being able to get enough resources. These are my last bricks. I can't believe we even got these done. 3 tanks is just impossible. I gotta work through the rest of the night. I wouldn't forgive myself if I went to sleep now.
Adam,
Hi, Jimmy.
bro, please tell me you're not still building.
Can I get 5 more hours?
Over the last 24 hours, Adam has managed to stack 20 more cars, build 4 more walls to the side, and he also put in 2 more giant pools. But
You went out of your way to build this pool, but didn't fill it up?
Yep, I ran out of time to fill it up.
You should learn time management.
Yes, I should.
Ooh, noticing a lot less cars over here.
Yeah,
Oh, I see you put sand in here. Does it make it harder to push over?
it'll be fine.
Bro, do you just not want
It's
the
gonna
Lamborghini?
work. It's gonna work.
Okay. This might be the last time we see this Lamborghini in one piece.
Stay strong. I'll be back soon.
don't ask me how, but I've acquired 20 tank shells. And we're not gonna stop shooting until we fire all of them.
The boys are loading the tanks. This is gonna be awesome.
Why is mine so small?
You know why. The moment of truth. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
One of my pools.
We got a pool.
No.
Our first shot literally hit the pool in front of the Lambo. The water poured everywhere.
How much water did you put in those pools? Oh, this is gross.
Fire no!
Oh my God.
I'm still holding out faith.
Hey, this one at the same time, all 3. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1.
Adam's walls make it impossible to see the Lamborghini from here. So until we run out of ammo, we will have no idea if the car made it or not.
Ooh, I felt that one.
Yeah, this is not good.
Reload the tanks. Chris. Carl. Nolan. Woo. Your defense is not holding up.
This is not good. I'm kind of grasping at straws at this point. I've done all I can do.
Fire in the hole. I have way too much power.
I was so confident today, too.
Look like you're just rapid fire tanks right now.
My only hope is that they're missing.
Woo. Anyways, what were you saying? Last shot. Adam, this time you don't get a choice. You have to pull it.
If I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna go down looking like a G.
All right. Oh, he's running. Adam's car is done for. I can't see. I can't see.
Let's go! Come on!
Wait, are there no holes in it?
Man, let's go, man! You did it!
What's crazy is even though the cars aren't strong enough to stop the rounds, they were able to deflect them away from the Lamborghini.
There's a bullet in the pool.
Oh my God!
There's a bullet in the pool.
The pool right in front of the Lamborghini caught a bullet for you.
Thank you, Mythbusters. I owe you this, but I'm gonna keep the Lambo.
Oh my gosh. Oh, will he fit? He fits.
Hey, we gonna make it work. That's fine, we gonna make it work.
Congratulations on the Lambo. Let's go shred another one. And now the moment you savages have been waiting for. This hunk of metal is going in the world's largest shredder.
Is it time?
It's time!
Let's drop it. Carl, are you ready?
Ready!
Send the Lamborghini! Woo! This suspense is killing me.
Oh my God.
It's hanging over the edge.
Oh my God, here it goes.
Lamborghini versus the world's largest shredder. It's about to, Yeah! Look at it, it looks like it's dancing.
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Bro, our building's shaking. Oh, the car's fighting back. Oh,
I think we need to push it down.
it's stuck on the Lamborghini tire, so the crane's gonna push it down. Whoa!
Yeah! Shred the car. Shred the car.
Oh my God. All right, and that is is what a shredded Lamborghini looks like. Don't worry, it didn't work. It was decommissioned. Subscribe because we have some insane videos coming up and I'd hate for you to miss them. See you later.
Mr. B6